Hello everybody! I'm here with this new video to present you our new Regalo collection. For this season, we have taken inspiration from the koala, a sweet and cute animal to be protected, cuddled and loved. I now introduce you Kira and Kunky, two soft pelushes that contain a kilo-sized panettone. Kira, with her light fur, carries the Classico Panettone, while Kunky, dark in color, contains the regal chocolate panettone. Each panettone is kept inside the peluche and protected by a padlock which can be opened with the key attached to Kira and Kunky's scarf. Our Regalo collection is complemented by an handy recycled pet shopper that matches color with our sweet peluche. We chose recycled pet to reduce our environmental impact and to promote a sustainable lifestyle. Together with Kira and Kunky, you know that you can make a sweet gift to your family, to your girlfriend, to your friends, knowing that is a quality choice and also a responsible choice for the environment.